at BHAGAVATHI Montessori English Medium School. Today we are excited to showcase the creativity and imagination of our Montessori students. Please join us as we explore the world of art, science and innovation. Now I will call upon the prayer students.
Bless us, Lord, throughout this day, while at school, at home, at play, help us to love and not to hate. Bless our country, our people, our state.
Now I request our beloved headmistress, Mrs. Premila, to welcome the gathering.
Everyone. On behalf of BHAGAVATHI Montessori School, I am honored to welcome you all to our Kids Creation exhibition. It's a pleasure to see our esteemed trustees, respected dignitaries, dear parents and fellow students. Today we are excited to showcase the creativity, curiosity and innovative spirit of our Montessori students. This exhibition is a testament to their hard work, dedication and passion for learning. I would like to extend a special welcome to our trustees who have been instrumental in shaping our school's vision and values. Your support and guidance inspire us to strive for the excellence. I would like to welcome Sri Sadashiv sir, correspondent of BHAGAVATHI Higher Primary and High School on this special occasion. Welcome, sir. I would like to welcome our Vice President Sri BHAGAVATHI Uchil. Welcome, sir. And I would like to welcome Sri Madhav Talapadi, Treasurer of BHAGAVATHI Education Trust. Welcome, sir. And also, it's my pleasure to welcome our high school headmistress, Srimati Sureka ma'am. Welcome, dear ma'am. And to our parents, thank you for your unwavering support and trust in our school. Your presence means the world to us. Let's celebrate the creativity, imagination and talents of our students as we explore the exhibit today. I hope to enjoy the exhibition and witness the incredible potential of our young learners. Thank you. Welcome you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our trustees, Sadashiv sir, to speak few words on this occasion and bless our students.
BHAGAVATHI Education Trust ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆಸಲ್ಪಡುವಂಥ ಮಾಂಟೆಸರಿ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸುಂದರ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿನ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ರಾಘವಚಿರವರೇ, ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿನ ಕೋಶಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯವರಾದಂಥ ಮಾಧವ ತಲಪಾಡಿ ಅವರೇ, ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರಾದಂಥ ಸುರೇಖರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಮೀಲಾರವರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವೃಂದದವರೇ, ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸೇ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆಸಲ್ಪಡುವಂಥ ಈ ಮಾಂಟೆಸರಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅವರ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದಿನ ಅವರ ಏಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಭದ್ರ ಬುನಾದಿ ಆಗಬೇಕೆಂಬ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಉತ್ತಮ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದಿನ SSLC ತನಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಕುಂದುಕೊರತೆ ಬರದಾಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
We were thrilled to showcase the creativity and talents of our students at today's Kids Creative exhibition. Please take your time to explore the various exhibits and witness the innovative spirit of our young learners. Your presence means a lot of them and we were grateful for your support. Enjoy the exhibition.
Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning.
Representation of wild animals. Wild animals are living in the forest. This is a lion. It is king of the jungle. This is a tiger. It is our national animal. This is an elephant. It is largest land animal. This is the giraffe. It is tallest animal. Thank you. Over to Mandavathi. Good morning. I am doing the PPT presentation of domestic animal. Domestic animal. This is the cow. It gives us milk. This is the dog. It guards our house. This is the cat. It is the pet animal. This is the goat. It gives us milk. Everyone, my name is Sankolige Uchil. I am studying LKGB. My model is volcano. Volcano is an opening earth art lava coming inside it. It can be very dangerous. Thank you. My name is Kash.
Don't tell name don't want. This is the model. This is the model.
This is the model of Alibas announcers. Dog is yellow, cow is shaped. Horse is shaped. Horse is stable. Hen is coop. Sheep is shelter. Duck is pond. Lion is den. Cow is shelter. Good morning, everyone. This is model of thanks. Thank you. Good morning. My model is butterfly. Butterfly like circle. First is a flight circle. First is the egg. Then second caterpillar. Then third cooper. Thank you. Then last butterfly. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. This is model is plant. Plants are green in color. Parts of the plants are root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. Thank you. My name is Sankolige. My family tree. This is my brother. This is my brother. This is my and me. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Morning. This is a model of farmer. This is a large nationally opening and aspect where animals go freely. Thank you. Good morning. This is the model of mini leaf. Thank you. Morning.
Yes.
Salsa sampatam. Really got to fall washing and cleaning. We get water from rain. Lake, river, well, sea, and pond. Save water, save earth. Thank you. This is modern law transport. Water transport, air transport, and land transport. Thank you. Good morning.
This is model.
This is Marala.
Look at there.
Tata says, our national bag.
Good.
Careful movement.
Keep my-
Tata says, stop. Lucifer says, slow down and wait. Green Phantom says, go. Thank you. Morning everyone. Good morning. This is Marala. Rainwater harvesting. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is Marala. There was a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thank you. Order is air completion, water, vinegar, balloon, soda powder.
Very nice.
Everyone, it is a plant. Many parts. There are notes, stamp, flower, and fruits. Thank you. My name is Anu. Good morning, everyone. I will read Thank you. This is model of waterfall. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is. This is model of wild animals. Tiger, lion, camel, zebra, tiger, elephant, cow, goat, pig, bear. This is our food. This is my home. This is chocolate. This is chocolate. This is fishing boat. This is sail. Thank you. My name is Dash. Water is Good morning, everyone. My name is Vaishmita. Happy birthday. Thank you. Good morning, cycle. Lunch for season. Thank you. My name is Brooks. This is a model of heavy and light. A heavy object has more weight. A light object has less weight. Thank you. Lens.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good.
Morning everyone. My name is. Good morning everyone. This is the model of volcano. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sagan. This is the model of University. Good morning everyone. Good morning. This is the model of before and after numbers.
Open that.
This is the number is 2.
After number.
Before number is
0.
0. Thank you. This is the model of thank you. Good morning everyone. This is the model of big and small. Thank you. Rocket. Rocket is the part. Rocket is the part that is launched into air. Thank you. Morning everyone. My name is Dev Kumar. This is the model of ovals. A O U. Thank you. My name is Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. This is the model of traffic signal. It is good. Thank you. Good morning. This is model of force of the plant. 5 important force of the plant: leaf, flower, fruit, stem, root. Thank you. For traveling or transporting goods by sea. Thank you. That 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is our closest to the Sun. Neptune is the farthest. Thank you. Good morning. This is our model of computer. Computer is an electronic device. It has CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, escalator. Thank you. My name is Katija Mashida. I am today going to tell sources of water. There are 2 types of sources of water. One is natural sources of water. Second one is man-made sources of water. Natural sources of water are model of rocket. Rocket is a vehicle used to travel in space. Thank you. When the sun rises, it is day. When the sun sets, it is night. Thank you. Is home to many animals and keep the air clean. Thank you. Everyone.
Come this side. See that?
Good morning. This is the model of seed germination. Germination is the process by which a plant grows from a seed into a seedling. Thank you. The model is ISRO. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. It is started in 1969. It is out of Bangalore, India. Thank you. This is the shapes. This is the square. It has 4 sides. All the sides are equal. This is the triangle. It has 3 sides. All the sides are equal. This is the star. This is the circle with 12 sides. This is the rectangle. It has 5 sides. 2 sides are equal. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. This is the model of solar system. Good morning. My name is Yatyati Devadiga. My model is India. India is our motherland. It is 7th largest country by area. It is famous for unity in diversity. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Asana. This is a model of waterfall. Waterfall looks very beautiful. Birds and animals live near waterfall. Thank you. Good morning. This is the model of traffic signal. Red means stop. Yellow means get ready, slow down. Green light to go. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. This is the model of day and night. Day and night cause due to the earth rotation. The light half of the earth is daytime. The dark half of the earth is nighttime. Thank you. Dustbin to use to throw the waste. There are 3 types of dustbin: green bin, organic waste, blue bin. Good morning. This is the model of how to save rainwater. Good morning. This is the working model of JCB. JCB machine are used for construction. agriculture, material habit, and other things. Thank you. His name is Abia. This is a model of fruit. Grapes, pineapple, green apple, banana, orange, apple, orange, pear. Good morning. This is the model of transformation. This is the helicopter. This is the boat. This is the train. This is the car. This is the white. Thank you. Good morning. This is the model of solar system. Solar system contains of a sun, a planet. Sun, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury planet. Neptune is a partial planet. Thank you. Morning. This is a model of different houses. Igloo, solar house, apartment, boat house, tent house, hut. House, thank you. Model of clock. This clock is divided to 10 times. Thank you. This is the model of volcano. Thank you. Good morning. The model of sun's orchid. Eyes to see, nose to smell, ear to hear, tongue to hand, skin to feel. Thank you. My name is Rashmi. My model is water cycle. Water cycle is like a big journey in water. Goes up and comes back. This is the model of water cycle. Water cycle is the journey of water. My model is about smart. My city name is Chelsea, where I live. It is a clean and green city with hospitals and schools. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Myra. My model is solar energy. Solar energy is energy from sun rays used to generate electricity and heat. It's renewable and clean. Thank you. Today I am going to the This is a lion. It is king of the jungle. This is a tiger. It is our national animal. This is an elephant. It is largest land animal. This is giraffe. It is tallest animal. Thank you. Over to Manna Farmer.
Take that.
Good morning. I am doing the PPT presentation of domestic animals. This is the domestic animal. This is the cow.
That's it.
This is the cow. It gives us milk. This is the dog. It guards our house. This is a cat. It is a pet animal. This is a goat. It gives us milk. Thank you.